Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's see what we'll be expecting this week on AUD USD. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel and you've not done that, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So let's start with our full trend, the overall trend, the full worldwide view on AUD USD. You can see that the overall general trend on our AUD USD is literally on a downtrend move. That is the overall trend. But if you take a look at the current trend, what market is doing currently, we are literally on an uptrend. So we would want to go with our current trend. Since we would want to be predicting what market will be doing this week, it will be best for us to go along with our current trend. Now, when you take a look at what market is doing here, market eventually pushed up. If you notice, we were ranging within this level, right? We are ranging. Market eventually broke above it, pushed up, broke above our resistance level. Now market came back to retest this resistance level. You all know the break and retest strategy, right? Now that it has retested, you will continue that movement. So this week, you will be expecting a bullish move on AUD USD. And let's roll down to the forward time frame. We are actually having this series of higher than higher low. So we gotten this higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Market is ranging within this level. Once its range finish, and expect another new higher high that will take out on its high. So above all this week, you're expecting a bullish move on AUD USD.